Okay, this is IELTS speaking part 1 and we're going to ask you a number of different questions. So please, let's start.
What is your favorite number?
Actually, my favorite number is 48. It is because my village name starts from that counting 48, and I usually wear a t-shirt which have number 48 from back.
Okay, which has the number 48 printed on the back
Back.
side. So to answer your question, my favorite number is 48.
Yes. sir.
Okay, at the end. Yes.
Are you good at remembering phone numbers?
Usually, I don't remember any phone number because everything is saved with me in my phone. So it's not like that. I usually remember anything about any number. I usually
Listen, don't repeat I usually. Say, I don't have to remember any phone number because it is saved in my mobile phone book. Something like that. Yeah,
and when I want to call someone, I could prefer that I use my phone and contact number and call.
yeah,
them
so to
directly.
answer your question, I don't need to remember any number at all.
At all.
Good? At the
Yes,
end
sir.
like this. Yeah.
Do you usually use numbers?
Do you usually use numbers? Yes, I use numbers every day. And then go on. In currency, in everything, you use numbers.
Okay.
So,
okay.
do you usually use numbers?
Yes, usually I do use numbers whenever I have to pay bill. I use number when I have to do anything else which I want, such as I want pay bill or credit card payment. I usually pay through numbers.
Okay, so to answer your question, I am a daily user of different numbers. Good.
Are you good at maths?
No, I am not actually good at maths because, frankly speaking, from fourth class or onwards,
Since class 4th or onwards, since class 4th.
Fourth and onwards, I could not do any practice, math required practice that makes you perfect. So I could not do that. That's why it's not my favorite subject. Or
Okay, it has never been my favorite
favorite
subject.
subject.
Present perfect. Okay,
Yes.
so please focus the tenses, and sometimes you are lacking ideas. Try to come up with more ideas, right? Okay, thank you.